Hello, I am Debasish Sahoo, an SEO professional. I always hear a complaint in my SEO journey from clients and colleagues. Your work on SEO is good, but you need to change the website design. It looks messy and unorganized. I used to think the designing of a website would require hardcore coding skills. Then I found Jackson's from the SEO groups, and he says you don't need to have any background in coding to design a website. I thought he was just joking. Then I saw his website. It looks very professional, means very, very professional. Then I joined his 6-day Elementor Workshop. The workshop is designed like this. First 15 minutes is theory, where you will learn about the terms like sections, columns, widgets, margins, paddings, etc. And for the rest of the 1 hour and 45 minutes, you will learn practical totally. After each section, you would be given 2 days of gap for practice, and there will be a special Q&A session. After 6 days of the workshop, I was surprised to see my website. It looks cool, awesome, professional. I have not believed that I will be able to design a website in 6 days. Thank you, Jackson. Thank you very, very much.